Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I going to show you how to make top ramen noodle salad or yum mama. This week the recipe gonna be the easy recipe with the top ramen noodle. So you can use any kind of top ramen that you have in your pantry. Same the last episode I just show you, because right now, like I'm saying, we cannot go out to shopping a lot, but I know a lot of you guys have the top ramen noodle in your house. So today I'm gonna show you delicious recipe. You can do a lot of things with the top ramen. Okay, for the top ramen noodle salad, I'm gonna start with the prep our vegetable. I'm gonna start with cut our grape tomato. I use 10 of the grape tomato. I'm just gonna cut them to half. For the grape tomato, I know a lot of regular salad you not cut them to half, but I like to cut them to half because they open up all the flavor. Okay, so now I'm gonna set our tomato on the side. Alright, and next I'm gonna slice our carrot. I'm gonna use about half carrot. Actually, I say I'm gonna slice it, but actually I'm gonna shred it with the true. Okay, now I have the shredded carrot. I think I might shred it more than half a little bit, but let's see I'm gonna use it all or not. Okay, so I'm gonna put it with the tomato. Okay, and next I'm gonna use the white onion. I'm gonna use just a quarter. So I'm just gonna cut it up and use just a quarter. Okay, and for the onion, as you can see, I not use a lot. I just use not a lot for the onion because the really strong flavor for me. If you like more onion, you can add some more. Okay, and next I'm gonna cut the spinach. For the spinach, you can substitute to be cabbage. In Thailand, we use the cabbage. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut about this side. Okay, and done with the spinach. Okay, set the spinach on the side. And next is gonna be celery. This one the Chinese celery from my backyard. If you don't have it, you just can use the regular celery that you can find at the grocery store. Okay, I'm done cutting our celery, but you might curious why I use the Chinese celery. Difference between the Chinese celery and the regular that you find at the grocery store. Mostly the Chinese celery we use just mostly the leaf, and the flavor are gonna be a little bit stronger, but it's very similar to, if you cannot find the same thing, you can use just a regular celery. Alright, and now I done all prep our vegetable, and we can go to the next step. Okay, now we done cut our vegetable. Next we're gonna cut our protein. So I have the imitation crab, and I have hot dog, and I also have shrimp. Okay, the shrimp I already peel it, and then the shrimp is already prepped. Okay, we're just gonna cut the imitation crab and the hot dog. Okay, and first I have 4 sticks the imitation crab. I'm just gonna cut them to the bite size. If you don't like this, you can change the protein. You can change to the all seafood that you like, or you can change to the chicken. Okay, and now I'm gonna set the imitation crab on the side and cut the hot dog. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna cut in the same side. Okay, and for the hot dog, you can use any kind of hot dog, or you can use the sausage that you like. For the hot dog, might weird for you a little bit, like we put the hot dog inside the salad, but it's how in Thailand they're very popular, and we always use the hot dog inside our salad, mama salad. Okay, and now I'm gonna make our salad dressing. First, I have the 1 ounce palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can use the regular brown sugar. You use about 2 tablespoons brown sugar, and I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons fish sauce. Okay, go in, and 4 tablespoons lime juice. I like sour, so I put extra lime juice, and a little bit of salt, just a little bit of salt. Okay, and I use 3 chili. You can, if you like more spicy, you can use more, or you like less spicy, just use 1 or 2 chili. This is up to you. And extra flavored with the cilantro stem. Alright, and now I'm gonna blend this. And now our salad dressing is done. Okay, I'm gonna set this on the side and waiting for everything get ready. Okay, and now the water is already boiled. Now we're ready to cook our protein and cook our noodle. Okay, first I'm gonna boil our hot dog and the imitation crab. Okay, all go in. Okay, just take 1 minute. The hot dog and the imitation crab is done. Okay, they fold it up, that means they're done. And for the crab, they really cook. They just want to let them hot again. So now I'm gonna put inside the mixing bowl. Alright. Because if you cook too long for the imitation crab, they will spit it out. Alright, now they start to spit it out. I have to be hurry. Next, our trim. I use 10 trim. You can use less or you can use more. It's up to you. Alright. Okay, same thing with the trim. Only take you 1 minute. Now I'm gonna remove the trim. Okay. Put together with the hot dog and the imitation crab. Alright. Okay, and next I'm gonna cook our ramen noodle. Like I said in the beginning, you can use any kind of ramen noodle and any kind of flavor. Okay, today I use the beef flavor, but no matter because I'm not gonna use any powder in here. I'm just gonna use the noodle. Right. Okay, the instructions say you have to cook 3 minutes, but you don't have to cook 3 minutes for this recipe because if you cook in too long, when you mix them, the noodle it will be soggy. So just gonna lose up a noodle a little bit. Alright, and now being 2 minutes, our noodle done. Oh, see? Perfect. Now I'm gonna put them together with our protein. Okay. Again, for the protein, you can change to be chicken or any kind of protein, your favorite. Okay, now everything ready to put them all together. Okay, for the salad dressing, I'm gonna have to make sure the favorite profile that I already like. Spicy. Have to be spicy, sweet, sour, a little bit of salty. Okay, everything put together. Okay, carrot. I'm gonna put it all. I'm gonna use all carrot and I put all tomato. Alright. All vegetable. Oh, my mouth is watering because the salad dressing is now the favorite inside my mouth. Okay, and now I'm going to put the dressing on top. This is very popular in Thailand. They have so many kind of salad. Alright. Okay, just toss it. Alright, so I need another spoon, so I go get the spoon. You want to mix everything well together. Let all the salad dressing mix it all with the noodle and the protein and the vegetable. Okay. The bottom too. Okay, now we're done and all we have to do just put in the plate and ready to finish it all. I have the lettuce on the side and I have the hard boiled egg on the side also. I'm gonna put the noodle on bottom and put the protein all on top. My god, this is a lot. Wow. Okay, and I have extra egg on the side too. Wow, they go good together. Now I'm ready to eat this plate. Okay, and now I'm ready to try our ramen noodle salad. I already take the tail off on the trim. So I'm gonna get the noodle and the trim. Wow. Really refreshing. One more bite it. I'm gonna try to get the crab and the hot dog together. Crab and the hot dog. Ooh. Wow. I love it. This is in Thailand. Remind me in Thailand street food, our snack, lunch. We love this ramen noodle salad. Another easy recipe with a top ramen noodle salad. And the day you cannot go out for the grocery store and you have everything in your house, you can put them together. I think you will like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.